Dell is looking to sell its stake in VMware. That's according to the Wall Street Journal. Dell is looking to raise its share price value while VMware is saddled with debt. Editor-in-Chief Andy Serwer spoke with the CEO of Dell, and he talked about the company's cloud business and how important it is. Take a listen.
The real epicenter of the company is in the data center and with large companies building out their multi-cloud platforms and dealing with the enormous increase in the amount of data. I mean, somebody once said that data is the new oil. Well, kind of, but not exactly, in the sense that as far as I know, there's a finite amount of oil on planet Earth, but with data, it's not finite at all. In fact, it continues to increase. And the real challenge of our time for companies is to figure out, and all organizations, governments, et cetera, is how do we use all this data to improve whatever it is we're trying to do, right? And with more everything in the world becoming intelligent and connected, with the 5G coming around the corner, and then you have AI and machine learning, all these technologies come together to create an incredible opportunity for organizations. And that requires lots of new capabilities, infrastructure, and that's really what Dell Technologies provides.
And it should be noted a Dell spokesman declined to comment to me on the Wall Street Journal story. But again, this is a rumor or speculation between Dell potentially selling its VM stake. It's been going on for some time. And as what fascinates me about this story is that Dell's market cap at about $36 billion, and this stake at VMware valued potentially around $50 billion, valuing the core Dell business essentially at nothing.
That's right. And there was a note from Deutsche Bank this morning, an analyst note basically highlighting that even around these levels, right now, Dell is up 7%. Even around these levels, Dell is trading below its IT tech peers. So if this media report were to be true, turn out to be true, then it's the analyst note is saying that it's the catalyst for Dell shares to go higher. And if you just take a look at a 2-year chart, the stock is only up about 7% over the last 2 years. This is a 1-year chart that you're looking at here. So investors have been sort of frustrated that the stock has been trading at around the same levels, not gaining too much over the last year or two.
And Heidi, if Dell was or is clearly looking to explore the sell, doing it now makes sense. We're seeing all these big cap tech stocks continue to hit new all-time highs. So why not try to maximize value by dumping VMware?
Brian, I think these rumors really sort of tell us that things are dire for Dell at this point, because in 2018, VMware had the option to potentially buy Dell, but Dell instead decided to hit the public markets again after going private in 2013. And VMware, though it does have a strong position when it comes to the hybrid cloud, Microsoft's Azure is still the leader in that space. And then we also have Amazon AWS. So when it comes to its position behind those giants, VMware is still lagging, and it's still far behind its peers. And so what this is essentially telling a lot of people is that Dell doesn't care about being competitive in the hybrid space. It just needs to make money now. And unfortunately, Dell is one of those hardware tech companies, right? So the fact that they're not really able to sell a lot of their hardware is putting a lot of pressure on the company. So we'll have to see how this all plays out.
Yeah, good point, Heidi.